In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct or check uploaded answers in Google Forms. If you've been using Google Forms regularly, you know how versatile and convenient it can be for gathering information. Whether you're a teacher collecting assignments, hosting a quiz, or simply streamlining responses through forms, occasionally, there's a need to check or correct uploaded answers. This process can save time, ensure accuracy, and enhance productivity. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to make your Google Forms experience as efficient as possible. We'll begin by opening Google Forms and locating the particular form you've been working with. You might have it saved under your Forms tab, or perhaps you have a direct link. Either way, navigate to the form in which you need to check or correct responses. Once you're in, you'll see a tab labeled Responses at the top of the form. Go ahead and click on it. This is where it gets interesting. Inside the Responses section, you're given a quick overview of what's been submitted. If you're checking for accuracy or looking to correct any mistakes, it's useful to familiarize yourself with this data initially. The responses are typically displayed in a summarized view, giving you a snapshot of all submissions. Remember, while Google Forms automatically saves these responses in a connected Google Sheet, working from within the form itself often lets you catch errors more swiftly. Now, to delve deeper into individual responses, you'll notice a green Sheets icon at the top right corner. Clicking this icon opens a Google Sheet, populated with all the answers submitted through your form. This spreadsheet format may present data in a more user-friendly manner for those comfortable with spreadsheets. It allows you to sort, analyze, and edit responses meticulously. If corrections are necessary, perhaps to rectify any inconsistencies or errors in submissions, you can edit directly in the Google Sheet. Hover over the cells that need adjustments, make the necessary changes, and your corrections are automatically saved. It's essential to proceed with caution here, keeping the original data intact for transparency and accountability. In some scenarios, manually correcting answers may not suffice. That's where the Responses section in your form offers additional options. If needed, you can delete a response by clicking on the 3 vertical dots next to it and selecting Delete. This feature helps maintain a clean and organized response collection. As we wrap up, remember that Google Forms has built-in features to aid your response checking process, from intuitive dashboards to seamless integrations with Google Sheets. Utilizing these tools can transform how effectively you monitor and maintain the quality of your collected data. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide equips you to confidently manage your Google Forms responses. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy form managing.